Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all having an awesome Thursday. I'm Stacy and this is the For Bricks and Giggles YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be finishing up the Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone line, and I've saved the best for last. Set 4709, the original Hogwarts castle from 2001. So stick around to the end to hear my review, and let's get started. So here we have the completed build, and this set is right at 650 pieces and also contains 9 minifigures, which is a ton. And it has pretty much the whole cast of the first movie included with it, which I think is great. So I'll show you those first. We've got Dumbledore in his classic purple wardrobe, and Snape with his kind of almost glow-in-the-dark looking head, and Hagrid. I love that they gave him a larger body so that he really appears to be a giant. It's great. Classic Harry with his violet cape. Got Draco, our one and only Slytherin. And then we've got Ron and Hermione. So really the gang is all here. Everyone's here. It's great. In one set you can get, all of the iconic minifigures that come in this theme. We have a couple others that I'll show you here in a minute, but I first wanted to talk about this little structure here in the front. always a big fan of the lerps, and I love these classic boat pieces. And I love that they did this little structure because it's a really big moment in the book and in the movie when Harry comes to Hogwarts for the first time in this little boat, you know, that Hagrid is sailing. Just, you know, that first real feeling of magic. I love that they included this little structure in this set. And then we've got the Great Hall right here. It's got these neat roof pieces that I don't think anything similar to that is in any sets that I know of. They've done a lot of arches in this set as well, which I really like. Just gives that Great Hall feeling, that very classic Harry Potter feel. And we've got kind of the dining area here on the main floor. And then they've got these floating flames. That was also a pretty big deal in the series, was the sky in the Great Hall could be changed, but a lot of times it just had the floating candles, so I like that they included that in this set. Now, this big dark gray piece opens up, and we've got Peeves hiding behind back there. I think he's the only ghost in the first wave of sets that they include, but he was a pretty big deal, so I like that they did that. We've also got this holographic Dumbledore piece. There's one in the Hogwarts Express set as well, and I think these are the only two sets it's included in, so a great sticker piece. And then here at the top, we've got the changing, you know, flag between Gryffindor and Slytherin, which depending on which house wins, you know, they change the flag. It would have been cool to have all four options available, but it is definitely still a really nice piece to include. All right, so we'll move over to the other side, and we've got on this end the staircase, which again in the books and movies they have the movable staircase, so I like that this does move so that you can kind of change things. This piece right here too has the fat lady portrait, so that's also included in one other set, although it's on a light violet piece instead of light gray. The knight here in the back with the Gryffindor shield, very unique knight piece. And right in front of him is this little lever that when you press it, it'll open the second story. There's a box right there, it opens. And I think that's a neat feature as well. So when you push the lever, that will open up and there's some keys hidden inside. You know how I feel about loving some chrome keys. So I'll show you on the outside too. These are very iconic of the Harry Potter series, those stone printed curved quarter panel pieces. And then I believe this top floor is supposed to reference the astronomy tower. We've got a little telescope and a nice unique blue book, which I think is so fun. We've got some more books on the main floor. There's a little bookcase. And I've shown you most of these, but I'll show you the one that I haven't before. Very unique. And then on this end, we have, you know, the little coop where the owls stay. So we've got that. And then on the bottom floor, we've got this turning piece that switches between a fireplace and a translucent clear treasure chest. So I'm not sure if that piece, the translucent coloring anyways, comes in any other set, but I really like it. It's got some jewels inside, which I at this age was obsessed with jewels. So I didn't get this set until I was an adult, so I'm really glad to finally have it. My sister had it as a kid and I played with her copy all the time. It really is a fun build and a great set. And I also wanted to announce that this would be the last of the Harry Potter set episodes for a while. I want to mix things up with the holiday season coming up, so my Thursday episodes will now be changing to Christmas sets. And I know it seems a little bit early, but with only doing one set a week, I wanted to be able to get, more than 2 or 3 out before Christmas. So I'll be starting with Christmas sets next Thursday, so get excited for a little bit of a change up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday. See you next time. If you'd like a For Bricks and Giggles t-shirt like the one I'm wearing, go to my webpage, link in the description, and click the merch button.